Okay, here is the new Gray Wolf. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. 26RR. Here's Bells. Bella wanted to come check it out. She's a little nervous. We gotta get her used to it. So, I'll give you a little tour. Here is the dining room. Maybe living room. There is a TV hookup right there with some storage. Bluetooth radio. Nice big window. Obviously this is where the bike will go and we're traveling. It does have the screened door and the ramp is pretty steep, but the truck is kind of not level, so hopefully that's a little bit better. Full kitchen, microwave, very large refrigerator, which is nice. Big freezer, big fridge. This has central air and heat, so it is a rooftop, but all the controls are right here, just like your house. And then in here we have the bathroom, big vanity, huge shower. I'm not level, so I just have the door holding there. There's the head with plenty of storage. And I just put some new sheets on it. Bella already tested out the bed. But we got a full queen bed, tons of storage in the front, which is separated by 2 doors in the bathroom. So nice and private. What do you think, Bells, huh? You still a little nervous? It's okay. Wanna go camping? You gonna come with me? Sure, we'll go camping together. Yeah. So, that's it. 26 foot, this thing is big enough. Those chairs, obviously, couches fold up against the wall. Table comes down. That does drop into a big king-size bed, which is actually very comfortable. And, well, not really a bunch of tie-down straps, but tie-down straps here. I think there's tie-down straps right under there. So, easily get 1 bike, 2 bikes in here without a problem. So, that's it. Looking forward to trying something new.